Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive. So without further delay, let's get started. First, what we need is the Windows ISO image and a pen drive of at least 8 gig and the Rufus software which we'll be using to create the bootable pen drive. Now first, you need the ISO image. So let's search for the ISO image, which is Windows 10 ISO image. So type in Windows 10 ISO image, search for that. Now when you search, this is what it's going to give you. So I'll leave a link on the description of the video. This is the official site for Microsoft, so which we're going to be using. So click on that to get the ISO image. On my machine, I'm already using Windows 10, so it's telling me to update. We don't need to update, we need the ISO image to install on a different machine. So scroll down and create Windows installation media, which is what we need. To get started, this is what it says. So we download, click on download. Right, so it's going to download the media creation tool, which will give us access in getting the ISO image. So as you can see below here, it is downloading. So let's just wait for it to. Now it is done downloading, so open that. Right, here it is. So double click to open it. Yeah, so click on yes. Minimize this. Minimize that and wait for it to load finish. So this is the Windows media creation tool. So we wait for it to get things ready. Right, here it is giving you the license and terms. So we just accept it. So you can read through and then accept the terms. Alright, so this is what it's saying, that we should upgrade our PC. No, we don't need to upgrade, we need the installation media. So we click now, so now you click on create installation media and next. Right, so here PC option, so just click to uncheck that and then you select your preferred one. So you select your preferred language, which is here. Now in my case, I'm going to be selecting English, and then the edition is Windows 10. So you can choose here either 32 or 64-bit that you want, or you select both. So in my case, I need 64-bit, so let's select 64-bit. Now and then click on next. Here, if you want to install the Windows direct to a pen drive, here you just select this. So click on next, and then the pen drive has been detected, but we are not going through that procedure. So we go back, we only need the ISO image. So now you select the ISO image, click on the ISO file, and then next. Yes. Right, so we are going to be downloading the Windows file. So here we can save the file in here. So click on save. So you select your destination and save the file. You can see it is downloading the Windows ISO file, which we will be using on our next step. So I'll speed up the video to the next step. Right, now so now our ISO image, our ISO file has been downloaded successfully. So if you go to user and then come into your download folder, you see there, here is the Windows file here. So now our next step is to go to download another software, which is Rufus. So open your browser once again and search for Rufus. So search for Rufus, and then this is the official site too. So I'll leave the link on the description too. So click on that to download it. So here scroll down and then download the latest version, which is this. download the latest version, which is this. So you click on that to download the latest version. Close this ad, and it is also being downloaded. So open where the file is located. Right, here it is. Now open that. Yes, so you click on yes. Do you want to allow to check for application update? Already it's an updated version, so we just click on no. Right here, this is where you select your pen drive, select the ISO file which we downloaded. Besides, we've already downloaded the ISO file, and our pen drive is connected. So here at the first stage, on the top here, you select the pen drive, which is my pen drive is 16 gig, so you need at least 8 GB of pen drive. And then here you select the ISO file. Now click on select, and then this is the Windows, so you select the Windows. So go to your destination where you saved your ISO file. In my case, it is on download, so you click on download and then select the ISO image. So click on that, and it is loading here. Right now it is done. Here, if your machine support the MBR, so you select the MBR. If it supports the GPT, you select the GPT. So my machine, it supports the GPT, which I select the GPT, and then right now we click on start. And as you can see here, we just click on OK. Yes, so it is warning us that everything on the pen drive is going to be cleared out. So you click on yes, OK. So if there is anything on your pen drive and you need it, back them up before using it to do this creation process. That is how to create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive. You get the ISO image, plug your pen drive inside, and then download Rufus software. Now after downloading the Rufus software, you use it. As you can see in the video, I have followed every procedure. So you follow the video procedure and it will be of success to you. Now that we are creating a bootable pen drive, if you want to know how to install the Windows 10 on your computer, click the video on the screen. See you on that video.